How to create a 7Navy account 2025. First, head to 7navy.com in your browser or download the 7Navy app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create Account or Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your email, create a password, and agree to the terms and conditions. If you want a faster login experience, you can also sign up using your Google or Apple ID account, totally secure and quick. Next, choose a plan that fits your needs. The free plans gives you access to basic tools like chart browsing, while the premium plan unlock advanced features like real-time weather, smart routing, tide info, and offline access. Most plans offer a free trial so you can test before committing. Savvy Navy will send you a confirmation email, so make sure to check your inbox. Click the verification link, log back in, and you're all set. And that's it.